When we receive the machine, we install the handles into the machine. And we can see here has 3 holes: water inlet, still water hose, water outlet. We find a funnel and insert in the water inlet. And then add the water. The water must the distilled water or pure water. When you see the water up from the still water hose, it means the water is full. We can stop at the water and press here on the funnel. About the water outlet, normally we need to change the water every month. When we want to change the water, we need to open it and let the water out from the machine. Now we connect the pedal. And the power light. And then press this button on the machine. Now we turn the key switch. And here is the emergency button. When we receive the machine, it was turned on, so we need to turn off. Normally we don't need to turn on, only when we have an emergency during the operation. We need to turn on. Once turned on, the machine will turn off. This machine has 5 functions: remove eyebrow tattoo, remove tattoo, black dot treatment, remove birthmark, pigmentation therapy. Now we check the handle. Here is the laser handle, and it has 3 operating hands of different wavelengths. This is the 532, and this one is the 1064, and this one is the 1320. We can choose them according to the treatment item we choose. If the treatment item is blacked out, we can choose the operating hand of 1320. And if the treatment item is remove eyebrow, remove tattoo, remove birthmark, or pigmentation therapy, we can choose according to the tattoo colors. If the tattoo color is black, we can choose the operating hand of 1064. If the tattoo color is other, we can choose the operating hand of 532. Now we check the parameter. The parameter we can set according to the treatment item. If the treatment item is black dot, we can set the power to 100 first, and adjust it based on the customer building. And the frequency you can set to 6 or 7. And if the treatment item is eyebrow tattoo or remove tattoo, birthmark, or pigmentation therapy, we can set the power to 300 first, and the frequency set to 3, and adjust the basis on the customer building. After all parameters set, we can click here, stay on the pedal, start working.